Janie right now. This is the Bissell cordless vacuum, and it is less expensive on sale right now than some of the no-name brands on here that don't work even half as good. This is the cordless Bissell vacuum. Super lightweight, comes with the attachments. A lot of the no-name brand ones don't come with this big like carpet attachment, which I love to use to like vacuum my couch every day. I have cats and my stairs, but this is so stinking good. This is the best deal I've ever found on a stick vacuum that actually works. You do not want to miss this. It's very limited stock with QVC. I tagged it right here.